Welcome to the DV Comm Systems channel. In today's connected world, the backbone of any secure communication system is its network, and when it comes to protecting sensitive data, fiber optic networks stand unmatched. At DV Comm Systems, we understand that reliability and security are not just features, they are necessities for businesses, institutions, and government facilities handling mission-critical information. Fiber optics transmit data using light instead of electrical signals, making them virtually immune to electromagnetic interference, signal loss, or data corruption. Unlike traditional copper cabling, fiber doesn't emit signals that can be tapped or intercepted, offering an unparalleled layer of cybersecurity and confidentiality. In environments like financial institutions, hospitals, airports, and data centers, even a momentary disruption can lead to serious consequences. Fiber optics ensure high-speed, interference-free, and tamper-resistant communication, keeping your information flow secure and uninterrupted. At DV Comm Systems, we specialize in designing, installing, and certifying advanced fiber optic networks using top-tier materials and precision testing. From backbone installations and MDF-IDF links to multi-mode and single-mode fiber terminations, our team ensures your infrastructure supports secure, future-ready communication for years to come. Whether you're upgrading your facility or building from the ground up, DV Comm Systems is your trusted partner in securing critical communications with fiber optic technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from DV Comm Systems. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.